Hello and welcome back to It's What I Do. Today is going to be the final test for the Akaso Brave 7. Akaso have finally sent me an external microphone. So we're going to give that a quick test and see how good it is. Back in a sec. Okay, so this is a sound test using the Akaso external microphone. So sound test 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Well, that's definitely an improvement. The only thing is, you've got to use Akaso's microphone. Other USB microphones do not work on it, which is not a good thing as far as I'm concerned. You should be able to have a choice of periphery items. I suppose it's one way of making sure you buy their products, but when you've got a sound issue like you've got on this, that's not a good thing. It really isn't a good thing. And I do think you should have the choice. So if you wanted to put a boom mic on, or what do you call it, a shotgun mic, you can't do it. Not with this. You've got to use one of these. You see? And it's got to be a so one. So, yeah, not such a good thing. But anyhow, we've got a microphone that works on it now, so it's a big improvement from the internal microphone. Is it as good as the Osmo Action? I'll let you decide that. Tell me down below what you think. Okay, so we've seen that the microphone works better the closer you get it to your mouth. So obviously Akaso have designed this camera and microphone for people with beards. There we go, we just attach it like that and we've got nearly perfect sound. What do you think? Well, thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like and subscribe down below. Thanks. Bye for now.